Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share Brinjal Curry or Khatta Baingan. Let's get started. I am taking one large onion in a blender. To that I am adding two large ripe tomatoes. Nice ripe ones will give good taste, tangy taste. I am adding 15 cloves of garlic. I'll add some water and blend it together to a fine paste. The fine paste is ready. Come on, let's make the curry. In a pot, I have taken 1 cup of oil. It will be little more than 1 cup too. To that I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn and 5 to 6 green chilies. I have given a slit in between so that it does not splatter, and few curry leaves. Now I have taken 8 to 10 small cute brinjals and given them a slit in between, and 1 large green chili. This will also give extra flavor. Now be careful, it will splatter. Immediately cover the lid and keep on low flame. You can open it after a minute or so. Then give it a good mix and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, also add Kashmiri red chili so that it will give nice color to the gravy, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of salt, you can adjust according to your taste the chili and salt. If you like more spiciness, you can add more chili also. Mix them well. Now I am adding the paste, tomato, onion and garlic paste. Give it a good mix. To that I am adding 1 cup of tamarind pulp. Even if you like more tanginess, you can add extra tamarind. Give it a good mix. It will be a little liquidy gravy. At this point, check salt, chili powder, and then cover the lid. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Then give it a mix. After this point, just keep the flames very low and cook it for approximately 30 to 45 minutes on very low flames. The brinjal will be nice and tender, and all the liquid will be evaporated. You will have a nice thick curry. This is a very delicious curry, always being served with biryani, pulao, fried rice, and also can be used with chapatis, naans and dosa. I have put off the flames and now I am adding peanut and sesame seed paste. If you don't have peanut butter or tahina paste, you have to prepare it at home from scratch. That is peanut and sesame seed toast lightly and grind it in your mixer, and only 1 teaspoon should be added and cooked for 5 minutes after all the oil has oozed out of the gravy. But if you have peanut butter and tahina paste, after putting off the flames, you can just mix it and leave it. You don't need to cook. This paste is going to take the gravy to next level. It is very, very delicious flavor. Do not skip this paste. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.